Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a quick review on Wordtune, which says you should express yourself with confidence, shape your scattered thoughts into exactly what you mean to say with a free AI writer that can paraphrase, rewrite, correct your grammar and much more. You can get it for free, no credit card required. Now, let me give you a quick review of this. You see, Wordtune is an AI-powered writing tool primarily focused on rephrasing and enhancing existing text rather than generating long-form content from scratch. It is designed to help users improve clarity, adjust their tone, whether formal or casual, shorten or expand sentences, and find better vocabulary. The key features are rewriting, tune adjustment, summarizing, spices, that is, provides AI-powered additions like facts, examples, or jokes to enrich the writing. Grammar and spell check. Integrations is available as a web editor and browser extension for use across various platforms like Gmail, Google Docs, and social media platforms. Now, when it comes to the pros, it is excellent for rephrasing and finding alternative ways to express ideas. It is user-friendly. Yes, it has a user-friendly interface and convenient browser extension. It's helpful for overcoming writer's block and improving sentence structure. And lastly, it offers a free version to try out basic features. Let's click on get started to do that. But let's look at the cons. Yeah, let's start with the free version. It is quite limited in usage and is not designed for generating extensive new content. Some users report occasional irrelevant or inaccurate suggestions. And also it lacks advanced features found in most comprehensive writing tools like detailed programming checking or in-depth style analysis. It does not have that. So in summary, I would say Wordtune is a valuable tool for anyone looking to quickly refine and enhance their writing on a sentence or paragraph level. Is particularly useful for improving clarity, adjusting tone, and adding variety to your text. However, if you require an AI tool for generating significant amounts of original content or need advanced writing analysis, you might need to consider more comprehensive alternatives. But this is a writing assistant you can definitely rely on. It does not generate new text for you. Like we said, it does not generate significant amounts of original content, but it will help you to fine tune that you have, the one that you actually have. And it will help you write like a native and sound like a natural. It writes like a native actually and sounds like a natural. It helps you supercharge your vocabulary. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.